I'm Debbie from thehomeofeinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to give you an overview of the updated battery operated Silent Gliss roller blind system 4955. Silent Gliss offer a comprehensive, technically advanced range of roller blind systems suitable for domestic and contract applications. Their extensive portfolio of technical fabrics meet a range of functional requirements, including glare management or room darkening. We have several videos on the Silent Gliss fabric collection, so please do view those for more information and to find a suitable fabric for your requirements. The clean lines of the Silent Gliss hardware complement any interior, providing discreet yet effective shading. These Swiss-engineered blind systems are all made to measure for a perfect fit and use only high-quality, certified parts which deliver reliable, long-term functionality. There are a range of manual chain-operated and motorised options within the Silent Gliss roller blind family. The motorised options seamlessly integrate into all major control systems as part of the connected home experience. Alternatively, they integrate with the Silent Gliss Move app, which offers convenience and the ability to operate your blinds wherever you are in the world. So just moving on to this roller blind 4955 system, and we're just going to talk you through that in more detail. So the sample that I have here is shown on an installation profile. This is just for the sample, just so I can hold it and show you. So this new battery operated system offers all the same high quality hardware as the hardwired model, the 4960 equivalent. The upgrade also brings this in line with the Silent Gliss Control N family, which was formerly known as the 9940 remote control options. So the hardware is available in white, grey or black, but please note that the motor and the antenna is always supplied in white. There's an integrated rechargeable battery, which uses a USB-C charger. There's a 3-metre cable, charging cable that is supplied with the blind. And one cable is supplied with every 5 blinds. Just additional cables are available should they be required. What's lovely about this blind is it's really quiet and has a lovely soft close function to it. So the blind will lower quickly and then you'll get that lovely slow stop at the end. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now for you. And as you can see, really nice and quiet operation. And then that lovely slow stop at the top there. The remotes and limits are all programmed in the factory, so they'll be ready for use upon delivery to yourself. The blinds are supplied with universal brackets that can be top or face fixed, and if you're fitting outside a recess, they supply some bracket covers to conceal the sides of the roller blind hardware, and they just push on like that. The remote controls, there's a single channel remote available and this 6 channel that I'm showing you here. Similarly with the wall switches, there's a 1 channel and a 6 channel. Now on 1 channel, it can operate either one product or a group of products. So for example, if you've got 3 roller blinds in the same room and that you want to operate simultaneously, you can put those on 1 channel. So you may only need the 1 channel remote. Or you might want 6 different blinds on each channel, or you might want a mix. So you might want 1 blind on 1 channel, multiple products on other channels, for example. You can mix and match between the blinds and curtain tracks. The remote controls come with a wall plate, so these can be screwed to the wall, and then the remote controls are magnetic and just sit beautifully in the wall plate. So those can be positioned wherever you want in your home for your convenience. You can also check the battery life with the remotes, which is a nice feature. If you're controlling the blind with the Move app, for example, and you've set up scenes so that you want your blinds to close at dusk or open at dawn, for example, then you may want to just check the battery life before you head away, just to make sure that they do operate while you're not at home. The maximum width for these blinds is 2.4 metres and the maximum drop is 3 metres. However, you can put 2 systems side by side and then a different bracket is used where the 2 blinds meet to reduce your light gap down to 24 millimetres. This blind system is compatible with all the Silent Gliss fascia and blind boxes, so please do see our video specifically on that for more information. Yeah, to operate this remote control, you simply click which channel you want to operate. So you can select multiple channels simultaneously for convenience. If you're embarking upon a project, or we can offer any assistance with fabric selection or what type of blind system meets your requirements, then please do get in touch. A member of the team would be delighted to help. We also offer a bespoke design service. This is available both virtually and face-to-face in our showroom in Brockenhurst. So if you'd like to make an appointment, please go to the website and click on the design service to book an appointment. If you've got any queries at all, please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or call us on 01590 615 775 and a member of the team would be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us the thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.